Gold is right here. Now, despite the very big jump that we have seen, having taken probably the stops from here on the daily scale, spot gold has not climbed above the critical level to kill this potential reading of the C down with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is still possible. At what point I give up on my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Well, it'll take quite a jump for gold to, if you like, cancel the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a jump would be something that will take it above the 200 moving average right here, 4,446 right here. It has to really climb. Whether it's going to happen in 2 days, 2 trading days, 5 trading days, it doesn't matter. What is important that if he does it like from current levels without visiting lower levels, then this wave must be modified. It can't be used as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anymore. And then we will be looking at gold to essentially prepare for a comeback. So that's what I think right now. I think if gold is ready to come back, the 200 moving average on the daily that coincides, as you can see, with very important support resistance right here, that should be exceeded. It should be exceeded. Once we get that, probably gold is going to stabilize outside this downsloping channel and will make its way to a high ground. Let's break into the hourly and have a look. You see, I worked with this as a 1, 2, and then we had this as a possible 3. Some would argue even the 3 is not done, but let's work with the idea that it's done. You really have to see gold climbing as a first step. You have to really see it climbing about 43.57 spot. That doesn't happen. It goes back down to 4,150 or lower. There's a fair chance that we are still in that fourth wave. Okay, and that's going to chew up maybe 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks. Yeah, but the point is that we are still going to dive lower here before the final bottom is in hand. Yes, and I already explained to you the relationship of gold, silver, and all the other metals. And right now, this is looking like a normal reaction to an extreme bottom, having taken the stops. Yeah, this, you can see, dipped lower, took the stops from here. I don't see really a major message here that it's ready to come soaring back. I could be wrong. It's possible the entire wave has to be modified. But as I told you, first message of strength, substantial strength, will be above, around about 43.60 right here. Okay, we just have to be patient. I think that's going to be sorted out in the next few trading days. Let me switch back to the daily. There's no question that gold on various levels reached already an extreme reading. Whether you look at the depletion of money in the funds, in mining stocks, etc., there's no question we are reaching towards a major bottom. But we want to fine-tune that bottom. And right now, with the assistance of all the Elliott wave principles here that I'm using, we don't see a case. Yeah, we don't have a case to say, yeah, we have a bottom. Okay, let's have a look at silver. Silver plunged back to the low right here. And silver has on the daily its own struggle with a 200 moving average. You can see that yesterday with this very big jump, the rally stalled roughly there, and today it is already, you can see, meeting again that resistance overhead. And in the case of silver, I worked with 2 options. Either we are still working with the extended B, in which case it is going to come back, and that's going to turn into an ABC. Okay, it's going to turn into an ABC, and we're going to for an extended B, which will bring about another ABC like here, and then the big C down. Now that's going to throw us further down the line in terms of looking for a bottom in silver. It's possible. It's not going to happen. It's very possible that in fact the B ended here. We have our A, we have our B done. Okay, everything is migrating to the left, the C, D, E. Okay, and then you have you 1, 2. We're in a fourth wave, exactly like in gold. Yeah, what I've shown you. We're in a fourth wave. Silver will not make it right now to 73.64, even in that, reaching 73.5 even. It will not make it. If it does make it to 73.50 or even 72.50, that's strong sign of strength, and it is quite possible that we have seen a bottom. Okay, we do have a marginal. Let me just see here. It didn't quite deep like gold under the previous low registered here. It didn't do that. So the odds are still with the bears that we are working on the fourth wave or on that extended move. So you got the levels, you see the 200 moving average, it's a simple moving average, shouldn't be really difficult to follow it. And the message is very clear. It rides above the 200 moving average. It flips above the downsloping channel. That's signs of strength. It manages to get to 73.50. Yeah, 73.50. It begins to go sideways. That's sign of strength. Okay, there it will have to meet with the 21. That's a sign of strength, especially if it does it outside the downsloping channel here. Okay, and of course, crossing about 74 is probably ready to run. And we will see gold at the same time, probably also manifesting strength.